Okay, so going to be installing a power tool organizer. This should help keep my tools a little bit more organized. It's wall mounted. This is going to be maybe 2 or 3 videos. I want to do an unboxing, and then I just want to do a couple more assembling it and then mounting it to the wall. It can hold 7 cordless drills, up to 150 pounds, and it's a 3-layer storage rack. So this is supposed to be heavy duty. So stay tuned and buckle up, because here we go. Okay, let's start the unboxing. This is a shelving. Oh, and a bunch of other stuff that fell out. It does look like it was packaged well. You have your wall anchors, your screws. Comes with a Phillips and a wrench. It also comes with Allen key screws for your shelving. Sorry, can I get the light out of that? Okay, cool. So now we're going to try to open it without scratching nothing. Bring this back out. Oh, and it comes with your directions, which, looking at this, looks very straightforward and easy to assemble. We're going to find out, but so far so good. So we can put this to the side for a minute and take everything out of our way here. All right, first piece of shelving, has some wire ties and everything. This is packaged pretty good. Can't complain on that part. And this part, oh, there went that. Let's lay this down. Go. All right, I'm going to clean up the work area, spread it out, and we'll start to assemble. Cleared the area. Now we have some space to work. So we're going to start with installing the side part to the lower shelf. So we're just going to put the fasteners in hand tight and then move forward, and later on we can tighten it. Okay, so this finger tight is good for now. And then we're gonna get this other side in. And it's gonna require 2 on this side as well. So we're gonna do that. All right, we're almost there. Without using any power tools, all you have is the small Allen key tool that they gave you, and nothing else. Just using this, but we're not going to tighten anything. We're just going to keep everything loose by hand. And then there's some little side attachments. We have this one, and we have one of these for the top shelf for both sides. So one would sit this way, and this is for the middle shelves. That'd be down here. Okay, so it's sandwiched in between the middle shelf, and they refer to the middle shelf as B. So one thing to remember is this part. If you see this part facing up, you have it backwards. So you want to make sure they're facing down. So you can put it in between. Okay. And then you can install your side attachment here. And then that's good. Sometimes it can be a bear trying to get it in. Even though earlier we test each one, you're going through a few different things here. And this is how it goes. It'll fight you, but eventually it will go in. All right, not too much because you gotta get the other side. And then 2 fasteners on this side here. Bring this a little closer. And then we're gonna put this here. Whoop. Drop that like it was hot. All right, so again, you got to go through that through hole into the threaded part. Can be a bear. But it's a relatively straightforward assembly. All right, so we can always go back and tighten up later. Just want to get a look at it. So now we're going to get our last shelf, the one with all the holes in the back of it. So zoom. So now you can see it a little bit better. A lot better. So this goes towards the back. Now what you want to do is put that in there. Sandwich in between. All right. 2 more fasteners. This one goes to the other side. This one's going to go to the other side. Whoop. And then we're just gonna I mean, from the looks of it, I think this is a pretty sharp looking shelf. I'll know more when I actually start using it, but I'm gonna make an additional video outside of an unboxing to show you how to mount it to a wall. But that's what it looks like. And that is how to assemble it, and that is my unbox video. Hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching.